In this question, you're being asked to just describe the transformations for this given function. So just like the previous two questions in the review, you just have to remember your basics of transformation. So you have the a, b, x minus c plus d. When it comes to a square root, you're going to notice the a will be on the outside, the b will be on the inside of the square root, and then x minus c right here, and then plus d at the end. So we need to identify what this given function has. It has a 3 in there, so that is a b value. It has a 2 right there, so that is a c value, and then it has a -5, so that is a d value. And to describe what these do to the parent function, first of all, just imagine what the parent function is. So it's just square root of x, and it's again starting at the origin and going in a little curve only on quadrant 1, which is like half a parabola sideways. And then we talked about the b value being the horizontal change, which is a vertical stretch, or horizontal change, which is horizontal stretch or compression. And then the c value is a shifting of left and right, and the d value is the shifting of up and down. So to be precise, your calculator can easily show you what happens with each individual transformation if you type them one at a time. So here's the parent function, and as I've told you in class, one of the strategies that I recommend is for you to type one transformation at a time. So first I typed the 3 to show you what the b value does, and then if we compare, it looks like it went, or it was pulled up, but again, our description will not be vertical, it has to be horizontally. So horizontally, for this parent function to look like it went up like that, it had to be pushed sideways inwards. So we will have had to have a compression. So that 3 is going to be a horizontal compression. And we're going to say that it's a horizontal compression by 1/3. Because usually you say 1 over b whenever you describe by how much. But definitely it just shows that if we compress it horizontally, that means it's going to just go inwards and become higher. All right, and then the next transformation, if we take a look at what that will do, we're going to look at that 2. So I typed only x minus 2 inside the square root, and this happened. So as you can see, it shifted to the right 2 units. So we're going to say that that 2 shifts right 2 units. And then we're going to look at what that -5 does, and then here it is. Notice that immediately it dropped it down. So that -5 is going to shift down 5 units. So these are the 3 descriptions that we are going to say for this question. Horizontal compression of 1/3, shifts right 2 units, and shifts down 5 units.